Welcome to uioxygen YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to create responsive accordion like this using a HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So please like and subscribe this video and watch this video till the end. So let's start how to build responsive. Okay, let's start accordion. Okay, now I will write the class is equal to accordion div close. Now I will create this. We have a two option, but today I will use a radio button like input type is equal to radio, name is equal to button, id is equal to first level for first level close. This is my first accordion. This is my first accordion. Okay, and now the class is equal to content div paragraph. This is my content first. Now copy and paste, copy, paste and paste. Let's see the output here. Okay, this one. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. First, second, this one is goes to here, second, and third, this one is also third, and this one is fourth. Four. Yeah, click here. Okay, nice, it's working. Okay, let's start CSS. First I will write body background hash. Okay, you can see here. Okay, it's fine. Display flags, justify content center. Okay, it's fine. Align items center, height 100 VH. Okay, it's fine. Look like this. Okay, see here. Okay, then we start here. My accordion. Here background white. Okay, sorry, background hash. Okay, I will create something different. Okay, padding 15 pixel. Okay, width 40%. Okay, accordion label, see your cursor pointer. You can see it. Yeah, it's fine. Now click here. Let's start background hash. Okay, display block width 100%. Okay, padding 10 pixel, 10 pixel 0. Okay, Yeah, it's fine. Whatever it's a 0, it will be fine. Yeah, it's fine. Now let's start. Okay. Check it. Yeah, it's fine. Now, okay, round it. Li before content. Okay. Color red. Font size 35 pixel. Okay. Sorry, 25 pixels here. Enough. Okay. Now let's start with 32 pixel. Height 32 pixel. Background as 9. Okay. Position absolute. Left 0. Okay, it's go here. Just wait here. Label accordion. Yeah. Position relative. Okay. Border radius 50%. Text line center. And top minus 5 pixel. Oh no. Top 0. No. It's just something. Yeah. Fine. Position. Okay. Position goes to I think top level. Margin say minus 1 pixel. I think it will be fine. Minus 7 pixel. Yes. Okay. Now let's start. Zero pixel, 0 pixel. ये top, right, bottom, left. I will 25 pixel and with 90%. Okay. And it's left minus 10 pixel. And now 32 to 40 pixel, 40 pixel is fine. And 7 to 8, 10 pixel. Okay, it's fine. Yes. When we click here, and this one will be changed. Okay. Content, label, and now dot content. Okay. Display is fine, but now now I will have to show a radio button and this one. When the radio button is clicked, check it, input type to radio, check it, yes, check it, and then sorry, level, yes, now it's working. Yeah, you can see here it's working. And then before content plus, let's check it, you see here line height 15 pixel, 40 pixel, okay, see here, okay, it's working. Now I will show you accordion level, accordion input type is equal to radio, it's a radio, it's a display none. Okay, now you can see here, now it's fine, it's work. Now you can also this one copy paste input and dot content, okay, it's fine. Margin bottom, radio, sorry, it's a level, okay, it's working, it's fine, okay, that's good. Now create this one and label before label plus dot content and display block, okay, now it's working. But first I want to open, then check it, it will be a first check it, okay, you see here, okay, it's work. Just add here one more thing, label and content, mean height, pixel, mean height, okay, yeah, it's working, it's working. So then click here and goes transition 0.3s, yes, okay, okay, page out. Now the same thing, level, and see here, okay, you can see here this one, okay, and now this one, accordion. So please like and subscribe this video for latest update. I will show you everything. Thank you for watching this video.